All right, so here is the property. This is Peterman, and it's dead-end road. It's extremely quiet. You will only have neighboring traffic here, so super quiet, and this is exceptionally private. So this is the front yard. It has a goldfish pond, a greenhouse, and a workshop there. I'm just gonna head over there, so I'll pause this. Okay, so as incredible this looks, this is a really low maintenance yard. I mean, it's beautiful. It's got stairs here. It's tiered. So you have the home, you have this here with a pond in the greenhouse. So you have goldfish in here, which are just amazing. I can't see them. I just saw them a little while ago. There's definitely goldfish. Oh, I see them now. There's goldfish in there. It has a really great greenhouse. The view, of course. And then this workshop area, which has power. It's completely insulated. It's absolutely perfect for a workshop. If you do, and it's pretty spacious. Like, it's amazing. It's very spacious in here. There we go. It's got lights, power. For now, it's just storage. And then these stairs go up to that next tier where the home is. So it is in tiers. So, and this is why you capture that beautiful view from the home. So you have the home, this here with the pond, and then another tier down here. And Peterman Road is over there. All right, let's go check out the backyard before we go into the home. And of course, the view again. So it's almost 2.5 acres. The roof's also set up with a couple of sprinklers. So if there is any scare or anything, just peace of mind. And it's got a license to water, which is gravity fed. So the nice thing is, if power does go out, you will always have water. They have never run out of water. They've had plenty. And they have deer coming onto this property, turkeys. There we go. This is the back of the house. Beautiful patio out here. And this is the kitchen, dining room area. And it just flows right in here, which is amazing. And then you do have some trees, adding to privacy and just that beautiful nature feel. And a fire pit. I love this. All right, let's go take a look inside. So here's the front area, which is beautifully covered, which is always nice. And amazing real hardwood floors. So it does have a landing right here for shoes. Coat closet, living room. So this space is amazing because of the ceilings. So it has really high ceilings, makes the space look gigantic. The carpet is newer as well. And you get your view here from the sitting room. This is a pellet stove, as also I should mention. So that's a pellet stove. And you have this incredible view of the sunrise here. And this is when we walked in. And it does have another sitting area here. So this could be a formal dining room. They have it as sitting area. I really love how they have it set up, as a matter of fact. So nothing to complain about that here. And then to the kitchen. So it has this amazing kitchen that flows right to this formal dining room. There we go. And it has these doors that go to that outdoor deck. I'm just gonna sneak in here and get a good view of the whole space. Beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring, big windows, lots of light in here, and this amazing kitchen. Big windows over the sink. There we go. Stainless steel appliances. And this stove is amazing. It is a, how do you call it? Basically the vent, it vents down. So you don't have that hood fan here. So it does really, really add to the aesthetic of it. And also just, you don't have to worry about more space, taking up more space. Tons of counter and cabinet space. Has a little coffee bar here as well. Coffee and wine, so you have your afternoons and your mornings, evenings, mornings. And a powder room, because you need one on the main floor. Let's face it. There we go. Powder room here. And this is where we entered, and that's to the upstairs. And then you have laundry on the main floor as well. So you have laundry here, and this is the door to the workshop / garage. So there we go. So the workshop, I'm just gonna take a sneak peek here. So here it is. There we go. And it is currently a workshop, but it can easily be converted back to a garage. And here is the downstairs. We should definitely see the upstairs. Let's go take a look. Okay, so here's the front entrance, and now we will head upstairs. Oh wait, before we do, look at the ceilings. The chandelier is absolutely amazing. And they put this texture on the wall. I don't know if you can clearly see it. It's a Venetian style texture paint. It's amazing. And the view from here, let me just go up the stairs so you can really get the view. So it's got newer carpets on the stairs as well. You can see the big windows, lots of light, a lot of natural light. Oh yeah, there's a skylight there. Look at that chandelier. It's absolutely beautiful. And this is us coming up the stairs. And it has like an open area here so you can see down to that sitting area. Linen closet. Okay, and here's Vanel doing his job. And this is one of the bedrooms here. And it looks out to the back. And that's the fire pit, and here's the back porch. And what's really cool about this bedroom is that it has a skylight, and there is lots of storage up here for anything really, boxes or anything like that, or even decoration. There's like really nice storage there. So these rooms are really, really spacious. It's all carpeted here, which is about a year old. Here's another bedroom, tastefully done, just absolutely beautiful. The furniture can also be included in the sale. And then down this hallway, we have a 3-piece updated bathroom. And then it has a shower here. It's a rain shower. Completely updated, beautiful flooring here. This is another bedroom currently used as the office. And again, just looks back into that nature. And the master, probably my favorite room, not even favorite bedroom, my favorite room out of this whole gorgeous house is this master. So looks outside in the back there. So you have your deer and your wildlife here. And it's absolutely spacious. It is so spacious in here. It's absolutely beautiful. And this is the master ensuite, and I'll show you the closet shortly. So double sinks. It has a soaker tub. Totally separate door for the toilet, which is always nice, with a fan in there. And this one also has a separate shower. Where did it go? Rain shower. Yes, there it is. Rain shower, completely redone. Beautiful luxury vinyl flooring. And the view. I mean, look at that view. So you could be in your bath right there, looking at the sunrise. And let's check out the walk-in closet. We have to see the walk-in closet. I mean, every girl's dream come true right here. Tons and tons of space. Oh yes, one more thing. Right? Oh yeah, that's all staying too. Another quick look. Boom. So much space in here. This is a king bed.